I went to the Burger King. So then I ordered my stuff. So then I put my king crown.
To the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had
the different fatty my try to be.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Happy birthday, Burger King, I love it.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I had to.
So bye guys, I had a great time at Burger King. Bye.
You teach, I do believe, I always should.
See you later guys.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.